Alright, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another one reaching us. Yoruba Nation are going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are still talking about. Well, onto this one. Strong Yoruba Nation agitators had finally come out on Mrs. Modupe Onitiri again. In fact, a lot of saga is actually happening in Yoruba Nation movement right now. We thought it's a joke, but it's no longer a joke. Right now, a lot of people have called out Mrs. Modupe Onitiri to the extent they are of the opinion that Dupe Onitiri is a 419. In fact, according to Tajuddin Agba on this one, he had made it clear that Dupe Onitiri Agba Yahoo ni Dupe Onitiri. Yes, what exactly is actually bringing about all this? A lot of people are now asking that question because Ms. Modupe Onitiri asked everybody to contribute $1 million. That's the money she's actually looking for, and the majority of them are now like, what is going on? What do you want to use $1 million for? Somebody that we do not even know her house, we don't know where she resides. The only thing is we see her online. At the end of it all, she made it clear to everyone that what she actually wants to use that money for is to buy army uniform for the Yoruba people, for the Yoruba security, to buy bullets, to buy guns, and then other ammunitions for fighting the enemy. Okay, now they now ask the question, okay, fine, this one you said you want to buy all these things, how do you actually want to purchase them? Who want to sell these things to you? How do you want to go about them? Right now, majority of Yoruba Nation agitators, in fact, some of the Omenira people have now started leaving the group one after the other. To an extent, with the news reaching us, it has been gathered that this woman will not even allow the followers to ask questions. Why would you be working with a leader without you asking questions? Even if you have asked her any question, it's her own that is the final. Okay, fine. Look at what is actually going on right now. She has actually chosen a strong mouthpiece to the extent Shoyekoribe had now been neglected, and the strong mouthpiece has been the Black Lion. I know a lot of people know Black Lion, okay, and then there's a voice note that is going viral that if it is not Black Lion, that anything anybody says is counterfeit. Right now, a lot of people are now like, so what is now going to happen to Shoyekoribe, the major person that you came in through our platform, and exactly what is actually going on right now? Yoruba Nation are going back, exactly what it is. Right now, the question is, what do you want to do with $1 million? And then right now, a lot of people are now asking questions. This woman, we cannot trust her. In fact, because the level to which she had put us, we don't even know where she is staying. Now, at least the other group talking about Chief Sunday Igboho, they have been visiting, though they've called them the fake agitator. But right now, you call them fake agitator, but everything they are doing is being revealed, is in open. Initially, she was of the opinion that, Professor Banji Akintoye and Chief Sunday Igboho are in to embezzle money, that there's nothing we need money for. That was when Chief Sunday Igboho and Professor Banji Akintoye will be asking for no fund for Omenira account before it was now dissolved. Now, right now, the same Mrs. Modupe Onitiri that was telling everyone that, don't mind those people, you don't need to contribute money for anything. In fact, Yoruba Nation for now does not need any money. She's not the same person that is requesting for a huge amount of money. In fact, I was so shocked with the comment of people. The comments have been going viral that, this woman, Agba Yahoo ni o, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ ní láti ṣọ́ra fún Mrs. Modupe Onitiri o, kò síbi tó ń gbé wa lọ o. Somebody that we don't even know where she resides, where she stays. We have not seen her in physical. The only thing we see is simply because she happened to be the wife of the late Abiola that everybody knows. Okay, you now, can you come out? Can people meet you? And a lot of things were actually said. That what about on a very good day if she now says, as far as the Yoruba nation is concerned, she's no longer interested. Like, she's no longer interested in the movement. What are you people going to say? Who are you going to hold? No, you are going to hold responsible that she actually collected money and all that. That has been the question right now. Everybody needs to be very careful. There's been a lot of reactions going viral. The majority of people, in fact, most of these comments I'm having here, none have even talked anything positive about Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. What they're all saying is everybody should be very careful, and then if you are putting any money in that Uminera account, you are on your own. Just be rest assured that you are just sending, in fact, you are throwing your money away, because this woman, as far as Yoruba Nation movement is concerned, the Yoruba Nation agitators have made it clear that we don't know her. She's not part of us. Because on a very good day, why would you say, okay, this set of followers should go and then collect money to go and be fighting, the federal government of Nigeria? That you want to get them uniform, you want to get them bomb, you want to get them guns and then other weapons to be able to fight for themselves. And then the Yoruba Nation agitators have even made it clear earlier that in case some set of people come out and they are not like, they are for Yoruba Nation, they want to fight the Nigerian army, that they should hold Mrs. Modupe Onitiri responsible. They should hold her. In fact, she should be held responsible because she is not part of Yoruba Nation. My brother, my sister, a lot of things are actually being said onto this one, and then right now, I think we all need to be vigilant. We all need to be wise. The people have been shouting Yoruba Nation, that's what they want. But with what is now going on right now, with everything that is going viral, we don't need anybody to now turn everything upside down. Because the people have believed that, with Yoruba Nation, things will work out. But with the way the whole thing is going, nobody's even talking about it. All they are talking about is how they can embezzle money on their own, which the people have said, we are not going to allow this to continue. Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, leave Yoruba Nation alone and then face your life, because we don't even know your whereabouts. Hey, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is actually happening right now. Meanwhile, I am going to detail you some more. And then if this happens to be your first time of joining us on this channel, try as much as possible to subscribe and then expect more. Thanks so much. God bless you.